across the political divide. Sometimes we also feel the speaker is being generous, allowing people to disrupt debates. Like, I couldn't even go through my debates as a person. But the speaker must be a bit flexible to allow parliamentary normal ways of doing business in parliament. Heckling is allowed in parliament. People coming up with point of order, whatever, it's a strategy to disrupt a debate that you think may go against what you think. I really wanted to debate throughout, but I had to resort to giving papers, or they answered my speech because they stood their ground, because they felt I was the chief whip. Maybe I had the killer punch. So they didn't want me to debate throughout. So those are strategies in parliament. And we also sometimes feel, I think we've seen members from my side querying the decisions by the speaker to say, chase him out, whatever. The speaker stands her ground or his ground to say, I won't chase that person. It's his right or her right to do whatever he is doing. Unless it's excessive, then the speaker will then take a decision, either to expel the member or to call that member to order. So for them to say the speaker is biased, it's again a strategy to disrupt the speaker so that the speaker can allow them to do whatever they want. Their strategy there was to stop members from my side to debate. And the speaker, when he cautions them, they then say, the speaker is biased. But the speaker looks at the general behavior. We also want to protect the decorum of parliament. The processes must be allowed. In our heckling, we would want to allow members to debate. People out there, they want to hear both sides. But when they come up with that strategy, it's again trying to win the heart of the speaker. If they tell the speaker that you are biased, then the speaker is forced either to be more flexible to them so that they air what they want. So it's all parliamentary strategies. To me, there is no way, time that I saw the speaker being biased. Even when my side said so, it was not because the speaker was biased. They were again playing the politics of parliament.